This dance is called 57 Chevrolet. It's a 32 count, 2 wall, beginner stroke improver level line dance with 1 tap. Starting on the right foot into a rumba box. You step right inside, left beside right, step the right forward. Left to the side, right beside left, step the left back. Step back on the right, clap, step back on the left, clap. Rock back on the right, recover your weight on the left into a kick ball cross, right foot leading, kick ball cross. That set of steps once more then, rubber off on the right. 7, 8, side close step, side close back, back clap, back, rock, kick ball cross. Step the right to the side into a little weave, step across in the right, left behind right, right to side, cross the left over the right. Rock to the side on the right, recover your weight on the left, cross the right behind the left, make a quarter turn left as you step that left forward, step forward on the right. That set of steps once more then, side into that weave. 7, 8, side, behind, side, cross, side, rock, behind, turn, step. So add that to the top. Rubber box off on the right. 7, 8, side close step, side close back, back clap, back, rock, kick ball cross, side, behind, side, cross, side, rock, behind, turn, step. Step forward on the left, touch the right just behind the left. Step back on the right, kick the left forward. Into a coaster step, left foot leading, back close step. Step forward on the right, pivot yourself half a turn to the left. Step forward on the right, pivot a quarter turn to the left. That set of steps once more then, step touch off on the left. 7, 8, step, touch, back, kick, coaster, step, step, pivot, step, pivot. Now you have got the equivalent of 3/4 of a turn with that step, pivot, half, step, pivot, quarter. Should you need to try and take that combination out, what you can actually do, step, touch, back, kick, coaster step, same as everybody else. Then just rock forward on the right, recover your weight on the left, that takes out your step, pivot, half. Then rock back on the right, as you recover your weight, make a quarter turn to the right. Takes out that step, pivot, quarter, turns your 3/4 into a quarter turn. So non-turning steps, should you need to take that 3/4 out of that section. Let's add that to the top. Rubber box off on the right. 7, 8, side close step, side close back, back clap, back, rock, kick ball cross, side, behind, side, cross, side, rock, behind, turn, step, step, touch, back, kick, coaster, step, step, pivot, step, pivot. Cross rock, right over left, recover your weight on the left. Chassé to the right with a quarter of a turn on the end, side close, quarter turn right. Step forward on the left, pivot yourself a quarter turn to the right, cross shuffle, left over right. That set of steps once more then, cross rock off on the right. 7, 8, cross rock, chassé, turn, step, pivot, cross shuffle. Now whilst that chassé quarter turn and that step pivot quarter actually only make half a turn, if you take out that 3/4 of a turn in the previous section, you're actually doing a quarter of a turn right, followed by a quarter of a turn right, followed by a quarter of a turn right. So you're actually reintroducing a 3/4 of a turn. So, try it by all means, you might be okay, but if by taking that turn out in that last section it's now causing a problem in this other section, what you can actually do instead, cross rock, same as everybody else. You're going to chasse to the right, you're going to put that 1/4 turn on, but you're going to turn 1/4 left as you step back on that right. Then rock back on your left as you recover your weight on your right, make a further 1/4 of a turn to the left, add on that cross shuffle. And hopefully that means you're doing a 1/4 turn right in the previous section, half a turn left in this one, and you should be okay. So non-turning steps, should you need to make any adjustments for any of the turns in those last two sections. And that is the end of the dance when we get to that point, so let's put it all together. Rumba off on the right. 7, 8, side close, step, side close, back, back, clap, back, rock, kick, or cross, side, behind, side, cross, side, rock, behind, turn, step, step, touch, back, kick, coaster, step, step, pivot, step, pivot, cross, rock, chasse, turn, step, pivot, cross, shuffle. That's your dance. I'll now go through it with the counts. Rumba up on the right. 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So hopefully that gives you a bit of a feel for the timing. Now it is a 2-wall dance, so let's have a go at the back wall. We'll keep going when we get back to the front so you can see how the walls join together. Rumba box off on the right. 7, 8, side close step, side close back, back, clap, back, rock, kick, or cross, side, behind, side, cross, side, rock, behind, turn, step, step, touch, back, kick, coaster, step, step, pivot, step, pivot, cross, rock, chasse, turn, step, pivot, cross, shuffle, side, close, step, side, close, back, clap, back, rock, kick, or cross, side, behind, side, cross, side, rock, behind, turn, step, step, touch, back, kick, coaster, step, step, pivot, step, pivot, cross, rock, chasse, turn, step, pivot, cross, shuffle. So that is your dance. Now there is one little tag in this dance. It comes at the end of wall 3. And wall 3 will be your 12 o'clock wall. You will be facing 6 o'clock when you come to do this tag. And I will show you the tag facing 12 o'clock. So your tag, you're going to rock to the side on the right, recover your weight on the left, into a little weave, behind, side, cross. Rock to the side on the left, recover your weight on the right, into a little weave, behind, side, cross. Rock to the side again on the right, recover your weight on the left, jazz box with a cross. So you cross the right over the left, step the left back, right to the side, cross the left over, end of tag. So that tag once more then, side rock and weave off on the right. 7, 8, side rock, behind side cross, side rock, behind side cross, side rock, cross, back, side cross. With the counts, side rock off on the right. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So like I said, it comes at the end of wall 3. So let's dance wall 3, which is the 12 o'clock wall, add on the tag and restart the dance so you can see how it fits in. Round the box off on the right. 7, 8. Side close step, side close back, back clap, back rock, kick, book rock, side, behind side cross, side, rock, behind turn step, step, touch, back, kick, coaster, step, step, pivot, step, pivot, cross, rock, chasse, turn, step, pivot, cross, shuffle, tag, side, rock, behind side cross, side, rock, behind side cross, side, rock, cross, back, side, cross, restart, side, close, step, side, close, back, clap, back, rock, kick, ball, cross. So hopefully you can see how that tag fits in. End of wall 3. So that's it. That is your dance, that's your walk through, it's your tag information. Let's give it a go to their music. Five, 6, 7, 8. Side close step, side close back, rock, kick, ball, cross, side, behind side cross, side, rock, behind turn step, step, touch, back, kick, coaster, step, step, pivot, cross, rock, chasse, turn, step, pivot, cross, shuffle, side close step, side close back, clap, back, rock, kick, ball, cross, side, behind side cross, side, rock, behind turn step, step, back, kick, coaster, step, pivot, cross, rock, chasse, turn, step, pivot, cross, shuffle, rock, short tag wall, back, sideways, step touch, cross rock, tag, side, rock, behind side cross, side, rock, behind side cross, side, rock, cross, back, side, cross, restart, side weave, step touch, cross rock,
now it makes me sad to think the good old days are gone. Although our love is still that strong today, but the world would have a lot more lovers to hang on if they still made 57 Chevrolets. They don't make the cars like they used to. I wish we still had it today. The love we once tasted, the good love we're still living, we owe it to that old 57 Chevrolet. We owe it to that old 57 Chevrolet.
hope you managed that one.